read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about number 7. Today, I will teach you number 7. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 7. Order and sequence numbers to 7. Start from the dot, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 7. It will make number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. After that, you will read the statement. 7 strawberries sit side by side. 7 strawberries sit side by side. Now, you all will do action like this. Line up and sit in a row like the strawberries. Okay? So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Today we have done number 7. So, how to write it? Start from the dot, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 7. Okay, you can take different things from the class. You could keep the books on the table, notebooks, pencils, erasers, 7 colors, 7 yellow colors, 7 blue colors, 7 red colors, and show these things to the students. They will count how many blue colors are there? 7. How many red colors are there? 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 red colors. Now, collect some notebooks from the students. Okay, show them. They will count how many notebooks are there in your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's very important to clear the concept of the students. What is number 7? Before teaching how to write it, it's very important to teach them how to count. Develop the sense of counting. After developing the sense of counting, we will teach them how to write number 7. I hope so you understood today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.